Hello, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Semrush. This is one of the most popular keyword tools for blogging, and it also has numerous features that I'm sure you will be intrigued by. The first thing you will need to do is sign up or create a free account using Semrush. And to do that, all you'll need to do is go onto semrush.com. Once you have done that, you can either choose to analyze someone else's website or you can analyze your own website and see how you can make improvements. For example, I will be analyzing this website by the name of fool.com. So all you will need to do is simply copy the URL. Once you have copied the URL, you are going to go back into Semrush and you are going to paste the URL right here in the search bar and you are going to tap on search. Once you have done that, your page will be populated as you can see right here. The first thing you're going to see is the authority score for the domain or the website as you can see right here. So you can see this is based on Semrush ranking. And you can also see the average organic search that that particular domain or website is getting. So you can see that this website is getting roughly 13.4 million search traffic. And you can also see the paid search traffic right here. And if you would like to view the keywords, you can simply tap on it. And you can also see their backlinks right there. And you can see the referring domains. By scrolling down, you will be able to see the average view duration for the website. And you can also see the average page visits. So this means that every person that visits the website on average visits more than 1.43 pages as you can see right here. And the average view duration would mean that for each visitor that this website gets, they spend at least 8 minutes and 42 seconds on the website. And you can also see the bounce rate. And the bounce rate would mean that how many persons visit the website and exit same time. And you can scroll down, and by scrolling down, you will be able to see the countries that majority of their viewers are coming from. So you can see based on their organic keywords, you can see that majority of their visits are coming from the United States as you can see right here. And if you were to tap on paid, you'll be able to see where they are directing most of their paid traffic. So you can see that they are targeting most persons from United States and Canada as you can see right here. This is another benefit of Semrush, as with this tool you'll not only be able to see how much a particular website is spending on ads, but you'll also see an example of their ad page right here. For example, if I were to scroll down, you can see what they have written on their ads, so you can see a sample text of the ads that they are running. So you can see right here, this is how it looks. So this makes it the perfect tool if you are planning to compete with a particular website in any niche, as you can not only study their ad copies and improve on it, but you can also track how much they're spending on average. You can also see the estimated amount of traffic that they are getting from their paid ads. And you can also view the amount of backlinks they have. And backlinks are still important in 2023 when it comes on to SEO and overall blogging. So you'll be able to target the same backlinks that they are targeting, or you can even target better, higher referring domains. But you'll be able to see a full breakdown of your competitor's website. And when it comes on to using Semrush now for keywords, all you'll need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option, right where you see keyword research. You could tap on keyword overview. Once you have tapped on keyword overview, you will be redirected to a new page. Just give it a few seconds to load up. And from here, all you would have to do is enter the keyword that you would like to search for. So let's say, for example, I were to enter this keyword, how to buy Audible books. So you can see right there, after I've entered the keyword and I've tapped on enter, by scrolling down, I will see a breakdown of where majority of the traffic will come from for that particular keyword. And you can also see the estimated volume of search for a particular month or time. You can see it right here. And if I were planning to run paid ads, you can see the CPC, that would be cost per click. So I would have to pay $6.25 per click, as you can see right there, if I were to run ads targeting that particular keyword. And by scrolling down, I will be able to see long tail keywords of that same keyword that I had typed in. Remember, I had typed in how to buy Audible books. You can see similar keyword ideas right here. How to buy books on Audible, how to buy Audible books, how to buy a book on Audible, how to buy an Audible book as a gift. So you can see different keywords idea based around the keyword that I typed in. And if you would like to see even more, you could tap on view all 217 keywords. And if you would like to see the questions, as you can see right here, you could simply tap on view all. And this is also a good tool if you are planning to do YouTube, as you could simply target videos talking about these keywords if you want. And you can scroll down, and from there you can see the SERP analysis, as you can see right there, for that particular keyword. Now by scrolling up, we're going to go over to the left hand menu option again. And if you would like to track a position that your blog has for a particular keyword, all you will need to do is tap on position tracking. Once you have tapped on position tracking, you will be redirected to a new dashboard. And all you would have to do is simply enter your domain. Then you'll be able to set up tracking, and you'll be able to see which position you have for a particular keyword on Google. And you can also track organic traffic insights if you want. And if you would like help with backlinks, all you'll need to do is go to link building. Then from there you could tap on backlink analytics. And again, all you'll need to do now is simply paste in your domain name, and you'll be able to track your backlinks, or you'll be able to track a particular website backlinks, and then you'll know what to target. So let's say I were to use one of their examples. Just give it a few seconds to load up. Once you have entered that website domain name, you will be able to see all of the backlinks that are pointing to that website, as you can see right here. So you'll be able to see how much traffic they are getting. So you can see a good breakdown. The backlinks right here, 12.1 million. You can see the referring domains, the organic search, monthly visits overall, and the outbound domains, as you can see right there. Then by scrolling down, you will see even more information. You can see new and lost backlinks, and you can scroll down and you can see it per month. And by scrolling down, you can see the top anchors, and you can see the categories of referring domains. And all you have to do is scroll down and you will see even more information. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.